Hi, I'm Adrian Ramsay. I'm a designer, a podcast host, and I host Archie Tours. I started out in swimwear and sportswear. I've worked in design my whole life.
Hi, I'm Adrian Ramsay and this is 1 Minute Wonder.
Yes, Brad Pitt the actor, but I want to talk to Brad about his love of architecture.
And Yannika's got so many, just tons and tons of style. So the silver level design concept doesn't cover just how you might live now, but also how you might need to live in the future.
People say to me, how did you do this transition to building design? And I go, well, it's about form, function, comfort. Ultimately, we live in both.
The owners of this house love a good glass of wine. Now they have a wine cellar where they store their wine, and then they also have a cellar which is just in the house. Have you ever walked into a luxury display home and thought to yourself, yeah, I want to live like this? What is it that gives you that feeling? Is it the timber? Is it the glass? Is it the marble, or is it the tapware? What if I said all these things are special, but they're not the thing that's making the difference? The devil is in the detail. Design is about marrying function with looks. We've got this beautiful vista, we wanted to keep it, but we also wanted to take the advantage of extending this room accordingly. And then it ties in with this roof and does this. That's the joy, that's the fun.
So exciting.
Because it's not static.